Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain everything about Klaviyo integration. So let's get started. Klaviyo integration is the process of connecting Klaviyo with your existing tools like your online store, website, or CRM, so that they work together seamlessly to collect data, track customer behavior, and automate personalized marketing. Whether you're using Shopify, Ecommerce, BigCommerce, or even custom platforms, integrating Klaviyo means your store and Klaviyo can talk to each other in real time. For example, when a customer signs up on your site, makes a purchase, or abandons their cart, that data is instantly synced to Klaviyo, allowing you to send targeted emails or SMS messages based on those actions. Integration also brings over your product catalog, order history, customer profiles, and browsing behavior, which helps you build smarter, more effective campaigns. The best part is, many of these integrations are one-click setups or require minimal effort. Klaviyo provides built-in support for dozens of platforms and apps. So, instead of manually uploading lists or guessing what your customers want, Klaviyo's integration puts your marketing on autopilot, helping you deliver the right message to the right person at the right time.